Hello everyone. In this video I will show you that how to log out WhatsApp web from your iPhone. So it's very simple. Just open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Tap on the settings on the bottom right corner of the screen. And now you will get an option of linked devices. Tap on this option. Here you will see a list of devices where WhatsApp web is active along with the name of browser. Now you can see I have a WhatsApp web login in my Google Chrome Windows. So if I want to log out this session, I have to tap on this. Now you will see an option to log out. Tap on it to log out of that particular session. Again click on log out. Now you have successfully logged out of the selected WhatsApp web session from your iPhone. So this is how you can log out from WhatsApp web using your iPhone. Thank you everyone.